Hey guys, Todd here. Today we're going to install the ROAN running boards from N-Fab on this 2021 Ford F-150. Now make sure you're subscribed to our channel to stay up to date with all our latest content. Let's go ahead and get started. For this installation, I'll be using a 4mm Allen wrench, a 10mm socket with ratchet, 13mm and 9/16 wrenches, and a level. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is assemble the running board. I'm going to grab the step plates, put those on. Now these only go on one or the other side, so go ahead and line those up to the holes that are on the running board. You're also going to have some hardware that comes in your kit. You're going to have a small Allen head bolt with a washer. Got 6 of those. Go ahead and put them all through the tread plate and the running board. And next, from the bottom, we're going to attach our serrated flange nuts to these bolts. So next, what we're going to do for each one of these bolts is we're going to take a 4mm Allen wrench and hold the bolt still. Then we're going to take a 10mm socket with a ratchet and then tighten that down. And repeat for all 6 of those bolts. All right, the opposite tread plate is just a mirror image, so it installs the exact same way. We've already got that installed. Now let's go ahead and attach our brackets to the running board. Now we've got 3 running board mounts that the bracket's attached to. You'll notice that these 2 are closer together and this one is kind of off by itself. That's because this is the driver's side on the front. The 2 in the front are going to be closer together and the one in the rear is further out. All right, next we're going to go ahead and take our bracket. This is going to be located in the front side of the mount, not the back side. We're going to take our carriage bolt. It's going to go through the bracket and then into the mount. And then we're going to take our serrated flange nuts and just loosely get those attached. And once that's attached, just make sure you got plenty of wiggle room side to side so that we can adjust it in position when we get underneath the truck. So do that to all 3 of these brackets. All right, next we're going to go ahead and grab the board, take it over to the truck, and mount it to the rocker panel. Okay, right now we're up underneath the truck. We're focused on the rear of the cab on the driver's side. This is one of our bracket locations right here where we'll have 3 threaded studs coming out. And you're going to have 3 locations just like this, and they're going to coordinate with the holes that are in our brackets. What we're going to do is lift up the board and just line up the brackets to those studs. All right, now for each one of those studs, we're going to install a flat washer and a serrated flange nut. We'll put them all on finger tight for right now. Okay, now that we've got all 3 of our brackets loosely put in place, we're going to go ahead and push up on those brackets and then tighten down the hardware using a 13mm. All right, next I'm going to take this level, put it up on top of the running board, and then I'll have a friend of mine hold the board level while I tighten down the board using a 9/16 at the anchor points. Well, now just repeat the exact same steps on the opposite side, and that will conclude the installation. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure and give us a thumbs up. If you want to know more about the product, check the link in the description below. And as always, if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.